This is a man who is about to regret this idea. His name's not actually Josh.
Alright guys, I got this all-in-one PC for free.
The PC in question is a Medium Akoya P4020D. The all-in-one PC has 4GB of RAM, an Intel Pentium T4500, and an NVIDIA GeForce 9100M. This is a huge mistake.
I'm gonna turn this atrocity into a phone. How, you may ask now? Some decided to develop a version of Android for PCs, and that version is what we are going to install on this outdated piece of hardware. Anyway, we're gonna use a Steam Deck with Windows/Android x86 on an SD card. Done. It's booting. Boot menu. Here is Android x86. Detecting Android x86. This is taking way too long. Let's reboot the PC. Yeah, this PC has an NVIDIA GPU, not a very good one, but it's NVIDIA, and Linux and NVIDIA like each other as much as I like So, tap. We type in this here. This command disables the proprietary NVIDIA drivers. Let's see if it works that way. It ain't. Time for another approach. My next plan would be to install Linux Mint on this device and then install Waydroid on it. It's Linux Mint. The installation process was very straightforward. So after waiting for a while, this happened and it's not starting. Run Android x86 through Virtualbox. I'm so glad I started this whole ordeal. I just realized something. Waydroid is right here, so how about we try to start it? Here goes nothing. It's not launching. Who'd have thought? Well, I guess we will have to use Virtualbox then. Okay, alright, let's start it. I'm sure this time everything will... What does it say here? I don't understand a single word. I have a solution. We'll just try again. Yeah, it's still not working. Okay, we'll go to settings and see what else we can do. VTX is not available. I'll have to look up what that even means.
After Googling this issue, the Google AI claimed that the virtualization technology in the BIOS were disabled.
There was literally nothing in the BIOS. Google AI used flashed Android 9.0. We could try an older version, considering this is a very old PC. Let's try that. So I flashed the SD card with Android x86 7.1 R2. Let's see if this actually works. Interesting. This has not been like that before. Been there, done that, huh? It's working! Will you be my phone? Yes, you will! Welcome, phone! Touchscreen, is the touchscreen working?
It's not.
Yes, it's working. See? It's working.
This is getting sad now.
The touchscreen's working. I'm using the force to control the touchscreen. It's working, trust me. It's working. It's checking for updates. I can't believe it. I'm so happy right now. This has been there before. Okay, it's looping. No worries, guys. This is normal. It's a Linux-based operating system. You need to expect stuff like this. No, I will not sign up with Google. You know what my name is. It's not Josh.
So we don't know what your name is.
So we don't know what my name is. All set. Finishing touches. Hello? Why are you not working? Just once. Alright, it's done. See, touchscreen's working. Alright guys, it's Android. What can we do with this?
Can't use the touchscreen.
Let's find out, shall we? We have a few applications pre-installed. You may recognize this one. Let's see if it actually works. Oh, we can update it. Sure. No! Okay, Google, you win. I will sign it. Something went wrong. Of course something went wrong. What else would it be? Something went right. Was the Wi-Fi not working for some reason? It's still not working for some reason. We are connected to the internet. We are logged in. We have Play Store access and can now update YouTube. What a weird thing to be happy about. Just as I was about to update, it crashed and rebooted. Well, let's try again, I guess. Second try it is. Yeah, this doesn't seem to be working. Okay. Cancel. Is there anything else we can do? Let's Google something.
Because that couldn't be done with Linux Mint.
How about we Google my channel? Hackin' Josh. Oh, I mean, my channel is not here because I have 0 followers.
After all this hassle, this turned out to be a success. If your definition of success is turning a useless PC into a less useless one, then not Josh still thinks the touchscreen's working. Not Josh went on carrying this all-in-one PC around everywhere. He still thinks the touchscreen works. It still doesn't. Next time on Hackin' Josh, who put the fake virus alert on Not Josh's phone? Despite having the Steam Deck, Not Josh thinks he doesn't have a PC now. After finding out that the virus isn't real, he decided to turn the phone into a PC.